hello, in this video we're going to be talking about how you can push your code from your local machine to the GitHub, and we are using the SSH protocol for that, right? So open up your terminal and just try to so first of all, we have to just generating key, private and public key in your local machine. So what I can do, I can say that write a command called SSH hyphen key gen, right? So this is a command. With the help of this command, we can able to generate the public and private key inside our local machine. So here I can see is asking for, hey, would you like to give the name of this key? So I don't interested into giving any kind of name, so I say just keep it simple. And it also say that, hey, would you like to ask for the password? I just keep it nothing, right? So as you can see, the key public and private key is created in my local system at this location, right? So okay, I'm currently in this location. What I can do, I can say that I can just go, as you can see, /home / my username and /.sh. So .sh is a hidden folder, so you cannot directly see that hidden folder by default. So for that, what you can do, you can say ls and give a flag a. So as you can see, you are all over, you can see all hidden folder inside this location. As you can see, I just able to see this .sh folder. Just go inside this folder. You can say .sh ssh cd.ssh, and now you can see there's two files which is called one is private and another is the public key. So this public key we have to give to the GitHub, so that GitHub able to access our local machine, and so that we can push our push our code from the local machine to the GitHub. So what I can do, I can just using the cat command, and I just see what inside this file. So for that we using a cat command, right? So cat cat and the name of this file. So I just press enter, and as you can see, we get a key. This is a public key which need to copy it, right? So just copy this key, and okay, so now you can just copy it. Okay, and just copy it, and then open your browser. And go to your GitHub account. So I just see that github.com. I just go inside the GitHub account, and as you can see, I just log in with my my account. So if you don't have an account, please create it and then do it, right? So just go to all the way of setting, and then go over there, right? SSH dot and gpg key, something like this, right? So I already created. I just try to delete my previous one, and I'm adding a new one. So as you can see, I just add a new one, and you can also give this some title. So for that, I just say that GitHub key, and I just make it called add SSH key. As you can see that this SSH key is added into my GitHub account. So what I can do next, I can make a project. Let's say I just go back over here, and I just go inside my desktop. And as you can see, here I'm making a folder called mkdir. I say that project. I just say that project. Okay, mkdir and project. Now you can see a project is created. A folder is created called project, and let's go inside this project. And here I'm just trying to, for demonstration purpose, here I'm just trying to making a simple file. I'm just making a file called with the help of touch command. Here touch, and here just making a called main.py, or you can make anything, or you can make a text file, or whatever you're working on this project, that's the matter, right? So what I can do, I just quickly open this folder, this file. I just using a nano for that. So I just get into this file, and I just try to for demonstration purpose, just quickly add some statement, a Python statement called hello. This is pretty simple thing, right? And I just try to get back over it, and as you can see, main.py is one line is added into it, right? Now let's try to initialize the GitHub git in this folder. So what I can say that get init, and as you can see, get initializing the git empty repository over here. And now I can say that get status, and now as you can see, this is the main.py is untracked file. So now let's make it add this file, and as you can see, now I just try to say that git status status. As you can see, this main.py is tracked, and now it's ready to commit. So what I can do, I say the git commit -m, and I just add the name what you want. So here I'm just adding this is a very important what you can say that, you can say that very important code base, something called code base. And what I can do, I can say that get so I just try to commit this thing, and now I just try to say that where we have to push this thing. So here what I can do, I can say that get remote -3. As you can see, there is no URL set where this code is push. So what I can do, I can just again again I just open my GitHub repository, and here quickly I just make a repository, an empty repository. So what I can say that, I say that okay, just make it called demo, let's say 3, something called demo 3, and make it public or private. It's totally depend on you. I just created a repository called empty repository, and as you can see, just copy this, just copy this URL. So this is the URL where we have to push, like where we have to give to the Git, so that Git push our code into GitHub, right? So I just copy this URL and saying that, right, I just copy it, and now I just try to say that git remote add regime, and here just paste this and that location of that repository, right, and press enter. And now I just try to see git remote remote minus v. As you can see, this URL is set. So now now we are ready to push our code to the GitHub repository. So what I can do, I can say that git push origin and master, right? So we just try to push our code from the master branch. So I say that git push origin master here, and asking like, hey, would you like to show, like would you like to really, so I'll say yes, and as you can see, the code is pushed into my GitHub repository, and this is our repository. And now I just try to refresh it, and as you can see, my .py is successfully pushed into my repository. And as you can see, this is the commit which we give into while committing our code, right? So this is the code line of the code which we write main dot hello, something like this, right? So yeah, this is all about the thing.